Good morning, Zoe. Good morning, Zoe. Mrs. Ouch. Baby sick pa. Sick pa yung baby. Go up na. Come on. Go up na. Wow, naka-polka dots. Wow, pretty. Pretty. Pakita yun nyo. Pakita yung bagong damit. Wow, butterfly. Ouch. Ouch, baby. Masakit yun ng baby. Hi, Zoe. You just woke up. Look at the hair. Bad hair day. Hi, Zoe. Good morning, baby. Morning, baby. Hi. Baby. Ang kalat ng room natin noon. Ay, shush. Zoe. Wow. Tick, peekaboo. Peekaboo. Hey, baby. Say good morning, mommy. Come on. You learn how to talk to baby. Come on. Say mommy. Oh, naman. Oh, cough. Go away, cough. Come on. Go away, cough. Go away, cough. Morning, Zoe. Ganda naman ng ganyan. Ganda naman ng overall na. Polka dots na butterfly pa. Wow. Pretty naman ng baby ko. Pretty. Huh? Zoe. Ouch. Na naman eh. Cough na naman. Say hi, Mami Lola. Say hi, Mami Lola. Come on. Say hi, Mami Lola. Hi, Daddy Lolo. Say, come on. Say hi. Learn how to speak na. 5 months na. No, up. Come on, ayan na maghiga. You wanna go up na? Bless you! Ay. Sneeze. Sneeze. Kawawa naman, baby ko sick ko. Bless you! Kawawa naman yung sick na baby ko na yan. Sick ikaw? You're sick, ha? Zoe sick? Zoe. Zoe, Zoe, Zoe. Ay. Zoe! Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Ay! Ay, mag-smile. Peekaboo! Ay! What's wrong? Ouch, ouch. Ouch, ouch. Ouch, ouch, ay. Wawa. Yan, mama. Cough si Zoe. Wawa. Di naman sick ang Zoe na. Nagpunta na tayong pedya na. Hindi ka daw sick na. Healthy nga daw si baby ko na. Say yes, mommy. Come on. Yes, mommy. Baby. Tignan mo. Yun, makalat yung gamit natin eh. Joinks. Makalat. Ay! Bakit? What's that, baby? Wow, serious? Come on, you smile. Come on. Say, good morning, world. Bakit? Say, hi, Kuya Dylan. See you. Di naman marunong magto. Ayaw magto. Wow, hold hands, mommy. Wow. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Zoe! Smile naman, Zoe, please. Bye-bye, say bye-bye na.